Good evening, everybody. This is Nelca again, and there's another question from our YouTube subscriber. Her name is Elsani Shofia, and she said, "Hi Nelca, why my daylight light scene cannot be calculated in Dialux?" So after watching my YouTube video, this one lighting calculation using Dialux evo, she asked me this question. Maybe she's struggling on how to press the daylight calculation in her project. So I open now one of my project here, and this is a residential house, and I'll go now to the light tab, and I'll go to the light scene, and what's your name again? Sorry, El Sunny. Just look at this one, and I will show you how to do it. So you better make sure that you press this one, because the default is no daylight. All you need to do is go and click clear sky or average sky or overcast sky. Usually clear sky is the maximum daylight that you can get in a daytime. So just click the clear sky. Yes, I will say this one now is invalid because it's a combination of daylight and artificial light. So I'll go just press and cancel the result here, and then I will say calculate, and now let's see what will happen next. Okay, so while we are waiting for the calculation result to finish, I would like to plug in my Udemy courses. So if you want to know more about daylighting calculation or lead requirements lighting calculation, just go and check my Udemy course, daylighting calculation and lead certification for lighting design. Alright, so the calculation is done now, and you can see the background is a little dark, and if you want to see the daylighting effect, you just go to the small tab on your upper right corner, press the display option and press the show sky texture, and you will have it here. So this calculation is a combination of artificial lights. You can see here I have 100% here, 10% on the cove light there, and on the ledge I have 100%. And if you go to the false color, you will find out that it's too much, because you can only appreciate the daylighting inside this glass. So if you want to see more about this one, you can go and turn off, if you want to appreciate the daylighting calculation, you can turn off this one by pressing this into 0 or scrolling it down, and then also this one, scrolling it into 0, also this one. So everything now is 0, so all those artificial lights are in 0, and then after that just go and say refresh, and then later on you will see that whatever is inside this house or building is now as per the daylighting calculation.